So you could actually probably fit two of these cards, these little RP2040s. So ideally, I'm going to see if I can mod the drawings and make this like a shelf, a drawer that slides in and out, and then maybe have it so it clicks in place to hold it securely with kind of just a little release tab. And that'll make it a lot easier to access that card, because right now you have to slide in and contort your hand. My hands get all cut with these metal edges. Some of them are pretty sharp, right? Especially when you're reaching in there. This screen is a good one that bites you. I think there's even blood in there. I've donated blood to the next. My DNA. All right. Stay tuned. More cool stuff from the black hole.